Dear all, Namaste and welcome to today's English class. Today we are dealing with grammar topic reported speech. And under this we are just dealing with statements only. We are just dealing with how to report statements. Okay. So before we start explanation, first of all, let me clear you what is reported speech. Okay, so here it goes. Look at this picture. Ranjit and Anjit. Okay, two people are here. Ranjit and Anjit. They are sitting in a cafeteria and they are having coffee, right? And they are talking. They are talking. Ranjit and Anjit are talking. Two people are talking, and Ranjit expressed some expression. His expression. He said something to Anjit. Like, okay, example for Ranjit said, "I'm reading a novel." Ranjit said, "I'll give you the novel tomorrow." And he said, "I'm hungry." Ranjit said, "I'm in hurry now." Ranjit said, "The coffee is really hot." Okay, so these all expressions are by Ranjit, and Anjit listened all these expressions. And what happens is Anjit goes to meet Sujit. Okay, and Sujit asked what happened in the meeting with Ranjit. So Anjit is reporting, explaining whatever Ranjit said to Sujit. That is what reporting. Okay, so two people talked, and the same conversation, if the person goes to tell to another third person, then that is what reporting. So how Anjit will report it to Sujit? He will do like this. He will say, "Ranjit said that he was reading a novel. Ranjit said that he would give me the novel the following day after. Ranjit said that he would give me the novel the day after. Ranjit said that he was in hurry then. Ranjit said that the coffee was really hot." So this is what Ranjit said to Anjit, and Anjit re-explaining to Sujit. That's why this is reported speech. So look at the board. Reported speech. When we talk about reported speech, we always have two styles. One is direct, another is indirect. Okay, direct speech and indirect speech. So direct speech means this is actual words of speaker. Actual word of speaker is direct speech, and report what the speaker said in our own words is indirect. That is what happened over here. Okay, look at the slide once again, the same slides. Whatever Ranjit said, if it has been expressed like using comma and inverted comma, this is direct one. These are the exactly same words what Ranjit expressed, right? These all four statements, these are direct speech, exact words of Ranjit. But when Anjit went to Sujit and retold these things, reported these things in his own words. These are the words of Anjit. Anjit retold it to Sujit. So this is reported. These are indirect way, indirect speech. This is indirect speech. Okay, so direct and indirect is about that. Now let me give you another example. Anjit said, let me clear this all. Okay, Anjit said, I am busy. Okay, what we are talking today? Direct and indirect speech. How direct speech can be changed into indirect. We are talking about that. So Anjit said, I am busy. What kind of comma, inverted comma is there? I am busy. Okay, I refers to Anjit, right? I refers to Anjit. So what is this statement? This is direct one. Okay, direct. Now let's talk about direct. So how many parts are there? One part is this one. Okay, this one. Anjit said. This is called reporting clause. This portion is called reporting clause, whereas the portion inside the inverted comma is reported speech. Reported speech. And while changing this direct to indirect speech, this reporting portion, reporting clause makes the difference to change this statement. Okay, how this statement is changed is depend upon the reporting clause and reporting verb. This is reporting verb. Okay, or okay, if reporting verb is in past form, said, then how it changed? Look at here. Anjit said, we add one connectives over here, that. Anjit said that. This I here is who? Anjit. He. Okay, so we replace I by he. Am busy. Am busy changed into was busy. So what I have done over here? Removed this comma and then removed this inverted comma and then changed this pronoun, right, according to the subject of reporting clause. Subject of reporting clause. So this has been changed because here it is said. There are other reporting verbs as well, like instead of says, it could be sometime only says only. Okay, say or says or will say. What else if such reporting verb is there instead of said? At that time, okay, what we have done over here, the tense has been changed. Have you noticed or not? Yes, am busy changed into was busy. Present, simple present changed into past tense. But instead of said, if it is says, Anjit says, I am busy, then the change will be just Anjit says that. Pronoun should be changed. He is busy. Same tense. Okay, same tense, no change in tense. Or sometime it could be said to. If it is said to, at that time said to changes into told. Okay, told. So in this way some changes take place, and tense does not change in another condition. One more condition instead of says, one more condition is there, that is when universal truth is being expressed. Just like Anjana said. Okay, Anjana said water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. Okay, water. Anjana said water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. This is what? Universal truth. In universal truth also, we don't change the tense. Anjana said water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. Okay, remove this, right? So this is what we do. So what kind of changes we made while changing direct to indirect? We mainly talk about three changes. Okay, we mainly talk about three changes that are like three kinds of changes are made in general in reported speech. They are, one is tense change, right? Tense. Then portion. After that, adverb. Three changes should be mainly focused according to reporting verb, right? Reporting verb. You look at the reporting verb. Okay, let's talk about, now we talk about change of tense. Let's talk about change of tense. What we did, what we simply did only one. We changed simple present into simple past. So what about all the remaining tense? How remaining tense change in reported speech? Let's talk about that. Okay, look at this table. For that, look at this table to talk about change of tense, how tense changes. Okay, like I never eat meat, he explained. How it changed? He explained that he never ate meat. So this is what we have practiced already. Simple present changed into simple past. Next, I am waiting for Anne, he said. What is the verb? Reporting verb? Said. Okay, the change is he said that he was waiting for Anne. So present continuous. I am waiting. I am waiting changed into was waiting. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Right? So it goes back. One step back. Present perfect, past perfect. So it's very easy to remember. Simple present, simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect. I have found a flat, he said. He said that he had found a flat. Past perfect. He said, I have been waiting for ages. Changed into, he said that he had been waiting for ages. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Then what about, okay, simple past itself. I took it home with me. I took it home with me, she said. Past, simple past changes into, he said that he had taken it home with her. Which tense is it? Yes, past perfect. Okay, simple past into past perfect. What about future tense then? Simple future. He said, I shall be in Paris on Monday. It changes into only shall and will and shall, they change into would or should, would, should. So it becomes, the sentence becomes like conditional. He said that he would be in Paris on Monday. Talking about next, I shall be using the car myself on the 24th, she said. Okay, future continuous. That changes into conditional continuous. She said that she had been using the car herself on the 24th. And conditional, no change, right? Same. I said I would like to see it. I said I would like to see it. Same kind of, same, no change over there. So this is about tense, what you need to focus while changing direct into indirect. Now, what is the second matter? What is the second topic we need to pay attention? Yes, second thing is pronouns. Okay, can you tell me some pronouns? Come on, tell me some pronouns. Yes, I is pronouns. Then next, he, she, you, yes, they, it, good. These are pronouns. And we can categorize these pronouns in, according to the use, right? There are different we can put it in the different category. Okay, let's talk about pronoun according to the person. I is what? First person, I, and you is second person, and remaining he, she, they are third person. Okay, we call it third person, and they are changed according to the subject of reporting verb, verb, subject of the reporting verb, right? So according to the suitability need, use we change, like I might change into me, my, mine, myself. Sometimes object of the reporting clause, object of the reporting clause also might need to be considered to change this change of this pronoun. Me, my, mine, myself. Then a second person could be changes into your, yours, yourself. He, she, it, maybe him, her, it, them, their, himself, herself, themselves. So according to the suitability we change. Okay, so the person, the first person changes according to the subject of reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb, do you remember subject? Yes, Anjana. Reporting verb, Anjana is subject of reporting verb. So changes, the second person changes according to object of reporting object of the reporting verb. So here if it is Anjana said to Sanjana, let's say, so Sanjana, according to second person, you is changed according to Sanjana. Okay, changes to the object of reporting verb, the third person does not change. Okay, then there is talk about third category. What is the third category? What is the change in third category? Yes, adverbial change. Okay, adverbial changes. Okay, let's see. Now changes into then, here changes into there, and this is what, there is no other way, you have to remember this. Okay, mug up these changes of adverbial changes, now into then, here, there, ago, before, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the day before, the previous day, tomorrow, the following day, the next day, this, these, that, those. Okay, this is how the adverb changes. Okay, I hope this discussion will really helpful for you to deal with reported speech. Now we will deal with some of the exercises, grammar exercises based on reported speech given in grade 10 unit 1 section. Okay, grammar I section. Let's deal those exercises. It will be very beneficial for you to learn reported speech. Okay, so first activity given over there is matching. Match the following statements with the correct reported speech and notice how the statements are changed. Okay, as we are just talking about change of statements. So let's match. Khushi said, I go to school every day by bus. So it's quite easy to match. Why, do you know? Because of the subject, right? Subject of reporting verb, khushi. So we saw somewhere over here, khushi, right? Khushi is there, khushi said. But one thing is that, okay, matching is easy because of that, but we are here, the objective of this matching work is to make you learn, notice, identify how this statement has been changed. Okay, so Khushi said is there, said I go to school every day. Which tense is it? Aha, yes, simple present. So simple present changes into what did we discuss? Yes, past, simple past. So the change is Khushi said that she went to school every day by bus. This is the change, right? So this is how we match and learn at the same time. Okay, match and learn at the same time. Next, Karma said to me, I'm sorry for coming late. Okay, where is Karma? Karma. Okay, here. All right. Karma, I'm sorry. What is I'm sorry? I'm sorry is asking for sorry, right? Asking for sorry, that is apologizing. That's why we use apologized over here. Karma's apologized instead of say that, told, we used over here apologized for coming late, only for coming late. We just make it coming late, for coming late. No change of tense as well. Next, Susan says I will leave for Bhanu next week. Okay, Susan, where is Susan? Of course, it's here, Susan. Okay, do you remember what I said when there is says present form of reporting verb is used? Tense is not changed in that case. So that's why Susan says that she will leave for Bhanu the following week. Okay, adverbial change. Next week changed into following week. Let's move to next. Cheering said. Okay, cheering said, cheering. Okay, let's match cheering and cheering. Cheering said, I will surely meet you this Saturday. Cheering, okay, this is I will surely meet you is a promise, right? That's why here promised word is used. Promised me to meet that Saturday. This Saturday changed into that Saturday, and here is no change in tense. Okay, next, the boss leaves at 6, said the agent. Okay, where is the matching over here? Where is the indirect speech? Yes. Okay, not this one. Yes, this one. The agent informed us that the boss left at 6. Leaves at 6, left at 6. Okay. Present, simple present changed into past, simple past. Next, I have already finished my project work, said C. Where is the indirect form? Yes, here it is. She said that she had already finished her project work. I have, she had. Okay, past. Present perfect changed into past perfect. The last one, I work from home these days, said Yanjal. Okay, of course, the remaining is this one. Yanjal said that he worked from house, home, house. Okay, same those days. Alright, so we have finished matching activity. Now let's move to next one, that is activity B. What is activity B over here? Complete the following sentences with correct reporting verb. Okay, we just talked about in the discussion in the beginning, in the discussion we just talked about said that, says, these verbs, reporting verb only, but there might be many more reporting verbs. Okay, what are these reporting verbs? Look at here in this box. Advised, admitted, warned, offered, thanked, informed, agreed, apologize, promised. Okay, so many reporting verbs are there. Now we are to put these verbs in the blanks to complete the sentences. Let's do that together. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Let's do it together. And we will also try to explain why it is suitable over here. I broke the mirror. He that he had broken the mirror. So he had broken the mirror. He realized that. So what word is suitable over here? Realizing is, yes, admitting. So here admitted is the suitable word. Have you guessed the same? Good. Okay. Next one is, I would go and see a doctor if I were you. Pemba said to me. Okay, Pemba said to me, I would go to see a doctor. Pemba me to see a doctor. What would be their appropriate word? Yes, advised. Okay, advised. Here, this is advice. That's why this is advised would be suitable over here. Next, I will send you out if you make a noise again. I'll send you out if you make a noise again. Said the librarian. What is this? The librarian. What librarian did? What librarian did? Warning, gave warning. So here, which one is the suitable reporting verb? Warned. Obviously warned. Okay. Now, yes, there's a few blanks are remaining. Let's talk about them. I can come and help you plant rice, said Raman. So, what is this? Raman said, I can help. What is he doing? Offering, right? He is offering. So, Raman offered. Offered is the right answer over here. Offered to help me to plant rice. Next, the classes start from next week, said the assistant. The assistant, what assistant is? Classes start from next week. What was the purpose of this this statement? Yes, informing, right? Informing. That's why we write over here informed. Informed. Okay, good. So finally, one more is there. Sonam said to me, thank you so much for your help. Thanking. So only one word left, that is thanked. So it is easy. Sonam thanked me for my help. Okay. Okay, it's not only one. Some more statements are left. Some more statements are left. Okay, thank you. That's why thanked. Okay, I will return your money by Saturday, said Prakriti. Prakriti, what Prakriti did over here? To return money, she promised, right? So the word promise is suitable over here. To return money, return my money by Saturday. Next, I will really work hard and score good grades, said Anupam. So what Anupam did? Anupam agreed. Yes, Anupam agreed to work hard and get good grades. I'm sorry for coming late. Saying sorry is what? We have already discussed. Yes, apologized. The speaker apologized for coming late. Okay, this is what the end of activities exercise given in grammar I. Now let's go to the exercises given in grammar second or grammar II, whatever. Okay, so here it goes. Let's see what is given over there. Okay. Choose the correct alternatives to complete the sentences. Okay, alternatives are there. Now we are to complete the sentences. Along with that, we also learn reporting or reported speech in this exercise as well. Okay, Such kind of exercises are given to you in exam as well, isn't it? Okay, you have been solving it. Abhilasa. Abhilasa said that she, what is here? Witnessed, had witnessed, was witnessed the accident. Okay, what is the right answer? Okay, yes, witnessed. Wonderful. Next, the teacher explained that the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolved around the sun, revolve around the sun. These kind of statements are universal truth. That's why they are usually in simple present. That means this one is the right option. The earth revolves around the sun. Let's move to next. Smarika says that Smarika says that, okay, she could not stay there anymore. I can't stay there anymore. She can't stay here anymore. The right option is I can't stay there anymore. Okay. Next, Sachita says that she loves to listen to music. She loves to listen to music. I love to listen to music. Listen to music. The right option is says is there. So loves to listen. Right? She loves to listen to music. Next, my brother reported that he had completed his homework. I have completed my homework. He has done his homework. What is the right answer? He had completed his homework. Next, my father said that the sun, can we say are, was? No, is very hot. Jennifer said that she once wanted to be a nurse. Said that she wanted to be a nurse. Okay, we have completed this exercise. And here we have one more exercise, that is number B. Rewrite the following sentences in indirect speech. So I hope you can do it on the basis of the discussion we have made. Okay, let me give you answers one by one to confirm what you have guessed, whether that is right or wrong. Reima said we had to cross the river and go ahead. So how it changes? Reima said that they had, we is there, that's why they, right? We mean they had to cross the river and went ahead. Go, went. Okay, next statement. Smarika said, I will meet you tomorrow, friends. Smarika told her friends are there, so told her friends that she would meet them the following day. Tomorrow, the following day. I can't come to school tomorrow, Chandani said. Chandani said that she could not come to school the following day. Cannot, could not. Tomorrow, the following day. Okay. Next. Dorje said, sorry, I cannot lend you any money today. Sorry, saying sorry is what? Apologizing. So, Dorje apologized for not lending money that day. Not lending money that day. This is the change. I hope you have guessed correctly. Okay, what about next? The teacher said, now you can solve the remaining problem yourself. The teacher said that we could solve the remaining problems ourselves then. Now changed into then, right? Next, the police said the incident probably took place yesterday. The police said that the incident probably had taken place the day before. Some more questions are left. I said to him, I live in Changunarayan these days, changes into I told him that I lived in Changunarayan those days. They said to us, we would like to join you too, changes into they told us that they would like to join us too. The science teacher said the coal gives off thick smoke, changes into the science teacher said that the coal gives off thick smoke. Okay, two more statements left. Resam said, I have never seen such a strange animal anywhere else. Changes into Resam said that he had never seen such a strange animal anywhere else. Finally, I love my children more than wealth, the father said. Changes into the father said that he loved his children than wealth. Okay, so this is how the change take place in reported speech while changing statements from direct to indirect. Okay, now let me assign you one work. First of all, notice around you what the people are saying. Note down five statements from the people. Suppose my teacher said, complete all homework, and then you will put that into direct form. Okay, my teacher said, comma, inverted comma, complete all the work, full stop, inverted comma, close. So in this way, collect 5 statements around you, maybe your friend or maybe your parents, all others. So collect 5 statements and then change those statements into indirect speech and show it to your teacher. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of today's class. I hope you have learned how you can change direct speech to indirect speech, this how to change statements from direct speech to indirect speech. That's all for today. Thank you. Namaste.